stayed just like that.
I'm really sorry, Kazehaya. For some reason, I'm just not myself at the moment. I want to spend more time with you. I want to get closer to you.
Left field! Heads up!
Look, the baseball team's practicing.
Kazehaya is behaving like everything's normal. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm moving slow.
No, it's not you. I was the one walking too fast. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it was me, I'm sure. I end up walking behind you whenever I start looking at you. It's hard to look at you if I'm next to you. What did I say?
I couldn't help but notice that you look different today.
Huh?
Your uniform.
Oh, does it look funny?
No, of course not. Hang on. If that's all you were worried about, you should have just said something to me. Sorry. I'm kinda shy.
I want to be with you. I want to be next to you. I want us to be close. Is that weird?
It'll be fine. All these new feelings are totally normal, but I get why they'd be a little overwhelming.
Yes, let's fucking go. Let's go.
Good job, Peter.
I